Oh, come on. Cutler's the best quarterback in the NFL. Right?
Creative way, but also very strategic. And as an organization, you have to think strategically. How will we spend this money? Because it could have a big impact on our player development here in the U.S.
Well, and you look at what the Atlanta Braves did in the winter time. They were able to trade LaStella to the Cubs, and they got that money back. And now they're looking at, they signed before the deadline for last year, and now they're taking that $1 million and signed 10 players. Yeah. So that's the type of creativity you can do.
All right, here we go. Elite number 4.
Again, kind of detail-oriented, figure it all out, but if you follow the steps, pretty important event in Major League Baseball. Now it's time for your hashtag ASG-worthy performance. Before we do that, it's your all-star coverage. It's going to start on ESPN, the selection show. And then we've got our futures game July 12th. Matt Descourage and Dan Plesac. How do you want me jumping there and all of that? And you'll see all the
Yeah, Cutler is another one of those terrible quarterbacks. I liked what I saw of Kevin White. He's going to be interesting in the NFL. Good luck, everyone. Career Best Materials, CC Sabathia, 21 of 299. Going to the Yankees, Donald, LLO. That was probably a few years ago because he has not looked like the good old CC Sabathia lately. Bryce Harper, hype. Puig, All-Star Salutes. Abreu, Gold Stars. Tulo, All-Star Salutes. Jackson, Collegiate Elite. Hunter Pence, green, 101 of 199, going to the Giants. Ty, T.O.B. Edwin Escobar, Future Threads. Going to the Red Sox, Steven, Q.U.I. There's another one for you. Cabrera, Elite Stature. Chris Bryant, Gold Stars. Mike Trout, All-Star Salutes. We had one hit so far. 2 hits. 2 of them. Renato, hype. Kinsler, green, 149 of 199, going to the Tigers. William, L.E.S. Look at that. Jose Canseco. The green status die cut. 29 of 49 going to the A's. Reggie, G-I-E. Grabbing another Canseco auto. Nice hit. Mattingly, Gold Stars. Cabrera, All-Star Salutes. Pettit, Legends of the Fall. Finnegan, Collegiate Elite. And a Domingo Santana status die cut auto. 46 of 49. Going to the Astros. Reggie, GIE. Shane, where you at?
What'd you see? I saw him leaving that slider on the plate a little bit too much. His catcher was looking to get that pitch off the plate to get him just swing and chase. And that's what I'm all night long. Gay Valley, Harold Reynolds were teammates with Seattle Mariners. Their commercial break going, oh man, this just takes me back down memory lane.
Another Canseco. Gold Stars. And an Addison Russell Inspirations die cut. Got the purple, 13 of 25. Going to the Cubs, William LES. Nice short print. Chen is the last one. That'll do it for Elite number 4. A's back on the 29th. Yeah, a few days ago. Or the Astros back on the 26th. Yeah, it was a while ago. All right, we got Bowman football coming up next, followed by Prism baseball. What else? Our Elite randoms got 8 spots left. Everything else is full. Prime Sigs, 2 box. 9 teams left. Those are 25% off. A's just won. Nice. At least hold the Tigers within striking distance. Don't want them pesky Royals pulling away.
And I lost sleep. I'm sure Brian did too.
While going down memory lane with a pair of former Mariners. We're going to take a break here on MLB tonight.
We're minutes away from some bonus baseball. Yeah, we're going to send you out to Arizona. Before we do that, an update what Colton Wong just did against the Chicago White Sox. Dave, what were you calling? What a teammate you are. I took the heat. That's what catchers do.
You can't always be there to protect her down the road. Make sure the tires she's riding on will. With the revolutionary Michelin Premier tires.
All right, let me start a fresh video. Bowman football number 2 coming up next.
Thanks to Evergrip technology. The Michelin Premier tire. Safe when new, safe when worn.
The more you move, the more you sweat. Degree's Motion Sense technology keeps you fresh with every move. It has unique microcapsules that contain fragrances. Friction breaks the capsules, releasing bursts of freshness all day. Whether you're meeting a deadline, grabbing a bite, or heading out for the night, Motion Sense. Protection to keep you moving. Degree.